Welcome back guys. Today I am going to show you how to replace FEO-OLA S1 Pro rear disc pads. First of all, we need to remove the Allen key screws attached to the brackets. After removing Allen key screws, remove Allen key screw attached to the hose pipe so that the pipe length will be adjusted for our repairing. Push the caliper bracket in the reverse direction to remove old disc pads. As you can see, we have two disc pads, one disc pad with the shaft holes and another disc pad without shaft holes. Now you need to remove the bracket attached to the caliper. After removing the caliper, you need to grease the holes and the shaft rods attached to the bracket. The movement of this bracket is necessary to maintain proper braking. After greasing it properly, reinstall the bracket to the caliper. After reinstalling the caliper bracket, now push the piston in the reverse direction so that we can install our new disc pads handy. Now you can see the new disc pads. Firstly, you need to install the disc pad without shaft holes. Now the counterpart need to be installed. So guys, if you like our content, please like it. Comment down the problems which you are facing in the EVs and please subscribe to our channel. As you can see the gap between the two disc pads. Now you need to adjust that caliper to the disc plate and reinstall the Allen key bolts to the bracket attached to the vehicle. So guys, please follow our Facebook and Instagram channel, and if you want to purchase these disc pads, the link is provided in the description below. Cash on delivery facility is also available. For all kind of FEO-OLA spare parts, please do check out our website. Once you attach to it vehicle, just rotate the tire to confirm whether the disc pads are installed properly or not. Clear details regarding EV spare parts, please subscribe to our channel. If you like our content, please like our videos, and if you are facing any kind of problem in your EVs, please do comment in our comment section so that we will try to guide you. Share this video to your friends and families who are looking for EV spare parts and support us. Thank you.